Welcome to the Insights Hub Copilot Studio video series, where we will provide an overview of the various functionalities and use cases of this AI-based application. In this video, we will show you the Copilot Studio user interface and structure. To truly understand what Copilot Studio is built for, it's important to first understand what the Insights Hub Production Copilot is. The Insights Hub Production Copilot is an AI-based assistant which supports you with various tasks within Insights Hub applications. Let's explore one example in the Insights Hub Monitor application. The Copilot helps you to find issues easily in your production by using a natural language approach. It is able to explore further details and helps you to find the right information to solve the issue quickly. The Copilot can even guide you directly to the source document for further details. The Production Copilot leverages different agents which users can directly utilize by selecting them from the drop-down menu. Agents are specialized AI tools built to handle specific processes or solve business challenges, utilizing specific skills to do so. Skills are tools used to equip the agents with dedicated logic, data, and analytics. Insights Hub now comes with an already powerful, ready-to-use version of the Production Copilot that includes pre-built agents and skills. However, it is also possible to tailor the Copilot to your specific use cases and needs. You can enable the Copilot with individually created custom agents and custom skills. These skills, for example, can be easily created using the Insights Hub Visual Flow Creator. And with the Copilot Studio, you can bring all of this together. It is the tool to create, manage, and test all agents and skills. As an admin, you start at the Insights Hub Launchpad. Navigate to the System Tools tab, and you'll see the Copilot Studio application. On the home screen, you'll find a quick overview of your available and used quota. Quotas are available for files Copilot utilizes, and the number of prompts can be sent per hour and per month. You'll also get an overview of the available agents, highlighting the newest ones with direct access. Similarly, you'll see an overview of the available skills. Clicking the Create Agent or Create Skill button will lead you directly to a convenient step-by-step wizard. The second item in the left navigation panel will take you to the Manage Agents overview. It displays all available agents. Pre-built ones are indicated by a petrol-colored icon, while custom ones appear in gray. While some details are already visible on the card, clicking it will display further information on the right panel. Here you can find the instructions of the agent or which skills the agent is using. Also, direct testing of the agent is possible. If you want to extend an existing agent, you can also clone it and adapt it for your use case. Filter and search functionalities are located at the top. You'll find a similar structure in the Manage Skills area, featuring cards and a detailed view for both pre-built skills, indicated by a petrol-colored icon, and custom skills, marked in gray. Ready to make Insights Hub Production Copilot uniquely yours? Try it out for yourself and create your first agents and skills now. For more information, find further links, other videos, and the technical documentation in the description below.